quick reading for the entire month of December, fire signs. Um, ang makikita natin dito, medyo magkakaroon tayo ng indecisiveness, no? Gagawin ba natin, hindi natin gagawin, medyo urong-sulong tayo, mas lalong mapapatagal, no? Itong gusto nating ma-achieve, gusto nating ma-experience. Prior making a decision, probably we can sit on it, sleep on it. Mas maganda siguro kung titignan natin, no? Ito ba talaga ang gusto ko? And then once pasukin mo, once ginawa mo na, sinimulan mo na, idire-diretso mo na. Meron kasi dito may pagkaningas kugon tayo, no? Na ma-experience. Probably because of the busy schedules. Kaya nga, dapat medyo time management is very important, no? I think time management is important not only to the fire signs but some other zodiacs din. Pero kasi dala din siguro ito ng Yuletide season, no? But again, huwag padalos-dalos, isiping mabuti. This is your quick reading, fire signs, for the entire month of December.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.